Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video collection contains a very beautiful, elegant and decent patterns of hand embroidered baby frocks, baby girl dresses designing ideas. The beauty and creativity of this video is not only limited to this, it contains a wide variety of scope, and that is how you can design the dresses of your baby girls along with the stitching and styling patterns as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please make a habit of leaving comments in the comment section because your comments are the only way or source through which we can get to know that what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. Up till then, now let's move back towards our main content, guys. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share some sort of creativity along with the lovers and likes of hand embroidery artists and hand embroidery beginners. So as you could see that all of these are very beautiful, creative and elegant patterns of frocks. Frocks range in length from short length, medium length to long length frocks along with different stylized patterns, yoke embroidery, neckline embroidery, bot neck embroidery, along with the matching accessories like hand embroidered hat, like hand embroidered bottoms, like hand embroidered socks, and many more creativities have been shared. So I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and creative ideas of hand embroidery. And guys, keep supporting us, keep loving us. If you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. Then you can also subscribe from number of other devices as well. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Now we will talk about the fabric base. You can use any type of base along with the weather conditions. Like in summers, you can use lawn, cotton, and organic linen fabrics, and in winters, you can use wool, khadar, linen, and many different sorts of corduroy fabrics as well. I hope that you are liking the design ideas and trends of the whole embroidery patterns of the today's collection of baby frock designing ideas. And if you really like them, do try any of the designs and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos.